Good morning everyone. Today I will start terminating decimal in number system. Terminating decimal, every fraction represent p by q if on division p by q, two things happen. If either remainder becomes 0 or never become 0. So if remainder becomes 0, then fraction will be terminating decimal, otherwise non-terminating. Example of this 1 by 4. So this is 1 represent p and 4 this is represent q. So 1 upon 4. So division on division 1 by 4 gives quotient 0.25, gives remainder 0, this is terminating. Other example 5 divided by 8, so gives quotient 0.625, remainder becomes 0. This is terminating decimal expansion. Another important observation terminating decimal. So a fraction p by q is terminating decimal if denominator of q prime factor of denominator of q 2 or 5 are both. This is terminating decimal expansion. And terminating the decimal fraction p by q if remainder becomes 0, this is terminating. If remainder never becomes 0, this is this is recurring decimal expansion. A decimal in which a digit or set of digit repeat after periodically, this is called repeating or recurring decimal. So this example on division 2 by 3, so gives periodically digit 0.666. So this is 0. So this first block 6, second block 6, third block 6, dot so on. Over the dot are bar represent. This is repeating or recurring decimal expansion. And another example of recurring decimal or repeating decimal expansion 3 by 11 gives repeating 27 quotient 2727 dot are written as 0.27 bar, or another form are 0.2.7 dot. In a recurring decimal, we place a bar over the first block of the repeating, first block, second block, third block repeating. So over the digit 27 bar first block repeating show omit other repeating block. Every rational number is expressed either terminating or repeating decimal expansion, and every terminating decimal is rational number and another repeating decimal is a rational number. That's all.